I compared Lovable and Builder.io, and honestly, they're built for two different types of creators, even though they both fall under the no-code website/app builder umbrella. Lovable is very AI-driven. You type in your idea, and it instantly generates a full project. Pages, components, styling, and basic logic. It's fast, surprisingly intuitive, and perfect for people who want to prototype or launch simple tools without touching code. But because it automates so much, you're somewhat limited when it comes to deep customization. Once you hit the edges of what the AI can do, you'll feel it. Builder.io, on the other hand, is far more flexible and enterprise-focused. It gives you a true visual builder with granular control over components, CMS data, responsiveness, and integrations. You can drag, tweak, and fine-tune everything, and it plays nicely with frameworks like React, Next.js, and even Shopify. The downside? It has a steeper learning curve, and you'll spend more time building things manually. So which is better? If you want speed and AI automation for quick MVPs, Lovable is the easier choice. But if you need long-term scalability, advanced customization, or integration with real production workflows, Builder.io is the stronger and more reliable option.